Hello, welcome back to my channel and to my video series which are related to the Cat of the Week FastAPI with Firestore and Google Cloud Storage and Vision API for image recognition. Okay, so here I will show one edge case which we didn't cover it. So there are possibilities to have images which are not related to any cat. So first of all, we can post an image and this image cannot contain a cat. For example, the user just uploads some image on the user interface and do not upload any cat. And he can refresh and he can upload again some image and do not upload any cat. And the second is when we are triggering this, let me close this, around end logic, we are deleting the cats, but we do not delete the images. So let's write now some logic which will handle these images. Let me create it as cron job, additional cron job, and let's call it clean up images. Okay. Let me create some function and call this function clean up unused images. Okay, let me write def. Okay, and what we have to do first, we have to select all existing images, which is, for example, let me create one query in image queries. I say def select all images, and here we will return a list of image. Okay, and here we have the actual, we have to write the actual logic to select all images. Let me write docs equals to doc async for doc in image reference dot stream to select all the images, and images equal to image. We will provide the ID, but let's write for doc in docs doc dot ID and doc dot to dict, and we created the list of images, and let's run this list of images. Okay, let's import this query here from queries dot image queries import select all images. Let's select all images. Okay, so we have the existing images, and let's now write the logic. So for every image in existing images, let's check if not any, and here we will write a list of checks. And actually here we have to relate. For example, we have to check, okay, does that image relate to any cat of the three tables, cat of the week, next round cats, and current round cats. So let's write queries in the cat queries. Let's call this query async def. How to write it? Check image relates to cat of the current round. Current round cat. Okay. Image ID. We will receive the image ID as string, and here we will return boolean. Okay, and image ID filter is equal to filter field photo ID equals and image ID. Okay, And here query is equal to get of the current round ref, where we will provide filter and image ID filter. Okay, and let's query the docs. Okay, and return boolean of docs. So if that list is empty, it will return false. If there is at least one entity in the list, we will receive true. And let's write the same for the next round gets. Okay, we can just change it like this. And for the cat of the week. Cat of the week. And let's import this functions. Okay, we import them, and let's write the check if any of this. Okay, await check image relates to image dot id. Okay, let's use this one, and finally let's use this. Okay, so what we are doing again, so we are checking if we receive with any function, we are checking a list of iterable of objects. Do we receive a boolean? Okay, if this function is true, any will return true. If this is true, any will return true, or this again true. If all are false, we will receive false. Okay, and let me write the query. So what we will do, so let's delete the image. Okay, let's write the delete image query by id, image id, which is string. We will return none, and let's write image docref is equal to image ref dot document and image id, and await to delete. Okay, let's again import that function here, and await delete image dot id, and we have to delete that image from the Bob storage. So let me open storage, Google Cloud Storage, delete pop by file name, and here we will receive file name, which is string. Okay, and what we have to write here, we have to write to create the bucket. Okay, but let's wrap it in try catch. Okay, we will take the bucket and the Bob to bucket dot pop with the file name. Okay, and here we are receiving the Bob object, which we have here, and here we will write Bob dot delete, and if everything is okay, we will print for now deleted file name from storage. Okay, and accept. For example, if we have not found, Okay. Can print file name not found in storage. Okay. Let's import this. And let's delete the file name. Okay. Let me import this function to the main. Let's add it to the scheduler. And let's say we want this to be executed 10 minutes or 15 minutes after this job. Okay, so this is the logic, but let's test it. I want to test it right now. So triggers dot interval. Let's say seconds, 20 seconds. I will run the application. And I will pause the video. And before to start the application, I want just to show that I have a lot of files here in the cloud storage and bucket, and I have a lot of images. You can see we can relate the file names. For example, we have 616, which is here. Okay, so let me start again, and let's pause the video and wait 20 seconds. As you can see, I received a lot of messages for deleted files from the storage. So let me check. First, let me reload the storage account. We can see we have only 4 images. Here also we have 4 entities. And let me check, we have 1 cat of the week, 2 current round cats, and 1 next round cat. So the logic is correct. Thank you for the attention.